Hello friends, welcome back to our brand identity design course. In this video, we will discuss the introduction to our Figma series. But before that, please like this video, share and subscribe to this channel. This will help me to create more videos like this. Figma is a vector-based design software. This means it uses mathematical points, lines and shapes to create graphics, making design scalable without losing its quality, just like Adobe Illustrator. However, Figma also supports raster images. In your design, you can import and use pixel images, but Figma is primarily used for vector editing. As a brand designer, I use Figma for almost all my designs because it is flexible and easy to use platform. So let us dive into Figma dashboard, the central hub of all your design projects. When you open Figma, this is the dashboard you will see. At the top, you have quick option to start something new. You have the new design file for starting a fresh project. You have new Fig Jamboard for brainstorming and collaboration. You have new slide deck, which is for creating presentation. You also have the import, which lets you upload files from your computer. You can upload templates and other things. Right below, you will see your recent area. This section organizes your project into tabs like recent view, shared files and shared project. It is super helpful for quickly picking up where you left your design. Now let us look at the sidebar. Here is where you can access all your work. The draft, these are your private files, perfect for experimenting or working on something new. All files, this is where you can organize files into specific categories or folders. Then you have the trash, where deleted files are stored in case you need them or you want to recover them later. You will also see a start section where you can pin your most used file or project for easy access. It is a great way to keep your important work just a click away. Now let us create a new design file. Click on the new design file. It will take you to this Figma design interface. Let's break it down into three main areas. The toolbar, this is where you will find tools to create shapes, draw, add text and more. Here we have the left sidebar split into pages and layers. Pages let you manage multiple canvas, while layers display all the elements on the canvas. On the right sidebar, you see your properties panel where you can customize your design. You can also adjust colors, size, alignment and export setting for any selected element. In the middle, we have the canvas, your main workspace. This is where all the magic happens. You can drag, drop and arrange your elements here. Right now, it is blank, but we had some shape and text just a minute. Now let us create something simple. Click on the rectangle tool on the toolbar and draw a rectangle on the canvas. Now select the text tool, click on the canvas and type something. You will notice that as you add elements, they appear in the layer panel on the left. Now let us customize our rectangle. Select it and on the right sidebar, you can change its fill color, the border radius and even add shadow. For the text, you can adjust the font size and you can also add alignment in the same panel. Once you are happy with your design, you can share it by clicking the share button in the top area corner. To export the elements, select them and in the export section of the right sidebar, choose your format like PNG, SVG, JPEG or PDF. If you love this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. This will help us to create more videos like this. See you in the next video.